Welcome to Opt Out, the Kara Foster OD show, where we ditch insurance, fight burnout, and rebuild the healthcare system with purpose, vision, and no strings attached. I'm Dr. Kara Foster, and I'm here to help you take back your power, whether you're a doctor, a patient, or just done with the system. Let's jump in. Hey there! Welcome to the very first episode of Opt Out. I'm Dr. Kara Foster, eye doctor, small business owner, mother of daughters, wellness advocate, and someone who decided years ago that if the system was broken, I wasn't going to stay stuck in it. This podcast is for the change makers, for the docs who are tired of being told how to practice, for the patients who are tired of being rushed and dismissed, and for anyone who's ever felt like healthcare has lost its heart, and maybe its mind. Let me take you back to the early days of my practice and why I decided to opt out. I was fresh out of school, full of energy, and ready to serve. But I quickly realized that something was off. I was spending more time fighting insurance companies than actually connecting with my patients. I'd walk into the exam room feeling rushed, distracted, and already behind schedule. And the worst part, this wasn't an accident. The system was designed that way, designed to keep visits short, care fragmented, and doctors burned out. I knew I didn't want to spend the rest of my career feeling like a cog in someone else's machine. And I certainly didn't want to raise girls while modeling a life built around stress, red tape, and compromise. So I took a leap, and I opted out. I stepped away from the insurance hamster wheel and opened a direct care optometry practice. No more third-party interference. No more waiting for permission to what I knew was right. Just honest pricing, longer visits, and actual human connection. Was it scary? Sure. Did people tell me I was crazy? Absolutely. But I knew in my gut and my heart that this was the way forward. And over the past 10 years, that choice has changed everything for my patients, for my practice, and for my life. Opting out isn't just about ditching insurance, it's about taking your power back. It means saying no to burnout, no to 7-minute appointments, no to faceless billing codes that don't see the whole person, and instead saying yes to time to listen, yes to purpose in your practice, and yes to actual health, not just disease management. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. Each week, we'll dig into how to build a practice you love without selling your soul to the system. Real tools for burnout recovery. Spoiler, it's not just yoga. The role of food and lifestyle in eye health and whole body wellness. Interviews with bold doctors, thinkers, and disruptors. And simple ways that patients can take back control of their health too. You'll get practical tips, honest stories, and yes, a little humor, because if we don't laugh about this stuff, we'll cry, and we've done enough of that. This podcast is for the provider who dreams of practicing medicine the way it was meant to be, the patient who knows there has to be a better way, the mom juggling a million roles while trying to stay healthy, and for anyone who wants more clarity in their care and in their life. If you've ever thought, there's got to be another way, you're in the right place. So let's do this together. Healthcare isn't going to fix itself from the top down, but the good news, it never needed to. Real change starts with conversations like this one, with people like you, doctors, patients, parents, and rebels with a cause, who are ready to opt out of what's broken and start building what's better. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start leading, hit that follow button, share this episode, and get ready for a weekly dose of clarity, courage, and care with no strings attached. Let's rebuild healthcare with vision and purpose. Thanks for tuning in to Opt Out. If you're ready to challenge the system and build a better path in healthcare, hit follow and share this episode. Let's lead the change together.